Here is the Pentax Espio 115 overall conditions, and the bottom part of here is the battery compartment. So we just use some like kind of needle to open it. Using one CR123A battery, just put it inside. Next thing, by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this, and here is the film. And the way to load the film is quite easy. You just slide from the top to the bottom to make sure that the motor have fit into the center point of the film. You just push it in, put the film tip to here. Then make sure that your film is flat. Then just close it and it will auto load. When here show figure 1, which means that now we can start shooting. If it's showing like E, which means that it's empty or error. So maybe you need to slightly adjust a bit in order to have it loaded the film successfully. Yeah. Then by clicking here to on it. Okay, lens is clean and clear. Then here's a zoom. Wow, yeah. As I say, the zoom is like a little bit kinky. So sometimes you might need some time to get used to it about the zoom. Yeah, like that. Then if I zoom out, then it's a little bit hard. So I just prefer you to off it, let it zoom out by itself. Okay. And here is the shutter, and here's the viewfinder. When you look into the viewfinder, you'll find at the center point here, got a bracket. So you just use that bracket to aim whatever you want to focus and half press it. Okay, when you half press, you can see the left side here got a green light and the red light, sorry. The red light, which means that it will trigger the flash, and the green light means that it's a focus. Then we just click it. Wow, if we aim to the right place, yeah, okay. So this is another example. You can see the green light keep blinking, which means that it can't focus actually. So maybe we slightly adjust a bit and half press again and see. Yeah, you see? It doesn't blink. And this time, it doesn't have the red light, which means that it won't trigger the flash. Okay. Then here is the flashlight setting. Now it's blank, which means that it's fully auto. Then by clicking this is force flash, off the flash, on the flash, night mode, off the flash, B mode. B mode is like when you click, if you didn't release the shutter, it will keep open until you release it. It's for like light trail or long exposure setting lah. Okay. Then overall it's like this, and this is the red eye reduction. While I've tried before, it doesn't matter lah, so you just can ignore it. Then here is the focus. This is like focus to infinity for the landscape. Click again to off it. Then this one is the timer. So same, aim to the object that you want to focus, half press it, press. Here we have a red light up, means that it's not counting. It took around 10 seconds like that. When it's almost there, it will start blinking like this. Okay. So yep, overall actually it's like this, and here you can adjust the panorama mode. Wow. I recommend you just shoot at normal because panorama is just like become narrow by grouping the top and the bottom. Then like this means it's normal, yeah. And here is to adjust. It's designed for those people who wear specs. If you, without the spec, you look into the viewfinder, you feel like it's blurred, then you adjust here until it clear will do. And this doesn't affect the outcome. It just affects the view of you, as the viewfinder doesn't link with the lens. It's from here the view. Okay. Oops. So overall it's like this, and if you didn't use it, just off it. And when you should finish, it will auto rewind. So no worry in using, and hope you enjoyed.